everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how I made this appetizing and flavorful catfish coconut pepper soup. For this recipe you will need some catfish, coconut milk. I will upload a video on how I made it later. Pepper soup spice, I will also upload a video on how I made it. You also need scent leaf, which I sliced, salt to taste, seasoning cubes, onions, red and yellow scotch bonnet pepper, some crayfish, which is totally optional. Now place your catfish in a bowl. Add seasoning cubes, a pinch of salt, some pepper soup spice, and onion powder. If you don't have onion powder, you can use blended onion. Rub all of that together into the catfish. Cover and set aside to marinate for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. In a pot containing the coconut milk, place it on heat. Add some of the pepper soup spice, salt to taste, seasoning cubes. Stir and cover the pot and bring to a boil. Next, you add your roughly blended pepper and onion. Also stir and allow to boil for about 2 minutes. At this point, you introduce the marinated catfish and sprinkle more pepper soup spice for taste and flavor. Stir gently and allow to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. And add the crayfish powder, which is totally optional. Allow to cook for about 2 minutes. And finally, add your sliced scent leaves. Stir a bit and take off the heat. Wow, take a look at that. Serve in a plate and enjoy with either plantain, yam, rice, potato. And let me know what you enjoyed about this recipe. And please do well to follow us for amazing recipes. Do not forget to like and share. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.